Welcome, Bible Explorers. Get ready for a brain-boosting Bible game. It's time 4 odd 1 out. You'll see 4 options. 3 is connected, but 1 is different. Will you pick the right one in time? Let's jump into the quiz and find the odd ones hiding in the holy laws. Question number 1. Which is the odd one out? Option A, Leviticus. Option B, Joshua. Option C, Exodus. Option D, Numbers. Time to guess. The answer is option B, Joshua. 2. Which is the odd one out? Option A, burnt offering. Option B, peace offering. Option C, sin offering. Option D, grain harvesting. Time to guess. The answer is option D, grain harvesting. Question number 3. Which is the odd one out? Option A, Aaron. Option B, Nadab. Option C, Abihu. Option D, Pharaoh. Time to guess. The answer is option D, Pharaoh. Question number 4. Which is the odd one out? Option A, leprosy. Option B, mildew. Option C, fasting. Option D, skin disease. Time to guess. The answer is option C, fasting. Question number 5. Which is the odd one out? Option A, Passover in Egypt. Option B, Sabbath. Option C, Feast of Tabernacle. Option D, Day of Atonement. Time to guess. The answer is option A, Passover in Egypt. Question number 6. Can you find odd one in the below given? Option A, priests. Option B, Levites. Option C, Nazarites. Option D, high priest. Time to pick. The odd one is option C, Nazarites. Question number 7. Can you find odd one in the below given? Option A, blood on ear. Option B, fire from heaven. Option C, oil on thumb. Option D, blood on toe. Time to pick. The odd one is option B, fire from heaven. Question number 8. Can you find odd one in the below given? Option A, blood. Option B, oil. Option C, ashes. Option D, honey. Time to pick. The odd one is option D, honey. Question number 9. Can you find odd one in the below given? Option A, unleavened bread. Option B, first fruits. Option C, Pentecost. Option D, Purim. Time to pick. The answer is option D, Purim. Question number 10. Can you find odd one in the below given? Option A, scapegoat. Option B, 2 goats. Option C, bull for high priest. Option D, golden calf. Time to pick. The odd one is option D, golden calf. Question number 11. Pick the odd one out. Option A, Jubilee. Option B, Sabbath year. Option C, daily sacrifice. Option D, land rest. Time to pick. Odd one is option C, daily sacrifice. Question number 12. Pick the odd one out. Option A, camel. Option B, bull. Option C, sheep. Option D, goat. Time to pick. The odd one is option A, camel. Question number 13. Pick the odd one out. Option A, oil poured on head. Option B, blood on right thumb. Option C, Blood on right ear. Option D, wearing crown. Time to pick. The odd one is option C, wearing crown. Question number 14. Pick the odd one out. Option A, crow. Option B, owl. Option C, dove. Option D, vulture. Time to pick. The odd one is option C, dove. Question number 15. Pick the odd one out. Option A, work. Option B, rest. Option C, Sabbath. Option D, convocation. Time to pick. The odd one is option A, work. Question number 16. Pick the odd one out. Option A, Feast of Lights. Option B, Passover. Option C, Feast of Weeks. Option D, Feast of Trumpets. Time to pick. The odd one is option A, Feast of Lights. Question number 17. Pick the odd one out. Option A, holiness. Option B, cleanliness. Option C, justice. Option D, resurrection. Time to pick. The odd one is option D, resurrection. Question number 18. Pick the odd one out. Option A, Leviticus. Option B, Book of the Law. Option C, Torah. Option D, Psalms. Time to pick. The odd one is option D, Psalms. Question number 19. Pick the odd one out. Option A, leaven. Option B, fine flour. Option C, olive oil. Option D, salt. Time to pick. The odd one is option A, leaven. Question number 20. Pick the odd one out. Option A, atonement. Option B, sacrifice. Option C, gossip. Option D, purification. Time to pick. The odd one is option C, gossip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment how much you scored correct. Subscribe for more quiz. God bless you.